am Mriganka Saikia.
I am Luhit Gogoi.
We are from
PMC Bokial High School, District Gulakat, State Assam. Today we are going to explain a very interesting project for ATL Marathon 2023 and 2024. This is our project.
We use 5 taps. This is center tap.
These are the watering pipe. This is our project.
We use 5 taps. This is center tap.
These are the watering. Theme: water conservation and efficiency in gardening. Problem statement: inefficient watering practices lead to water waste and consume a significant amount of time. Innovation title: WSTS 0.1 Water Saving and Time Saving System.
Explanation: why this area? Water scarcity is a global concern, and traditional watering methods often result in wastage. Addressing this issue in gardening aligns with the broader goal of water conservation. Salient Features: low water consumption. WSTS 0.1 utilizes a centralized system that efficiently distributes water, minimizing consumption, reduced wastage. The direct connection between flower taps ensures that water is delivered precisely where needed, reducing unnecessary runoff. Time saving: the system eliminates the need for individual watering of each flower tap, saving time for garden maintenance. Retain moisture: the system retains moisture to 4 taps, and whenever 4 taps breathe, it sucks water from middle tap. Innovation and uniqueness: the central hub connected to 4 flower taps through a 0.4 mm pipe optimizes water usage and retains moisture to the taps for long term. This innovative design minimizes water wastage and simplifies the watering process. Application areas: location suitable for garden, both indoor and outdoor. Scanneries: ideal for scanneries where multiple plants or flower taps need watering simultaneously. User profiles: gardening enthusiasts, agriculture setups, and individuals looking for efficient watering management in plant care. Working in detail: pouring water into the central flower tap ensures a steady supply to all connected flower tap via the interconnecting 0.4 mm pipes. This simple yet effective system promotes water saving, reduces wastage, and minimizes the time spent on manual watering. ATL tools, technologies used: tap ATL labs, taps for holding plants, pipes 0.4 mm pipes for connecting flower taps, drill machine used for creating holes in the taps for pipe insertion, Bond utilized for securing pipe connections, MCL paste applied to ensure water-tight seals at joints, preventing leaks. This project WSTS 0.1 offers an innovative solution to the common problem of water wastage in gardening, making it an efficient and sustainable choice for plant care. Namaskar.